The next section we will read about some array functions. There are some array methods. So we will see the array methods today. Just comment this. Sorry. Yes. First array method is the first array method is toString. I are seeing the array methods. Array methods or function. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yeah, I'm recording. Okay, just a minute, sir. Okay. Today we will see the some array functions. There are so many array functions are there. First array function is the toString. What is the method function? The toString function is used to convert the array into the strings. Means we are using the toString function or method to converting the array values into the string, and it returns the value with separated by the comma. Suppose if you have stored 5 elements in an array, then you can convert it into the string, and whenever you will print this, it will print it by separated by the comma. ये कॉमा से सेपरेट करके प्रिंट करता है उसको. Just see some one example, sorry, script where fruits is equals to, just insert the values inside. First banana, orange, apple, sorry, it's a string, so we have to write inside the double quotes, lychee. Okay, just save it and semicolon. I have declared one array fruits. Inside I have inserted 4 elements or the 4 values, 4 string values. Next, before script, we have to take hello. Hello, am I audible? अभी आवाज जा रहा है clear? Okay. I have declared one array and stored 4 elements in this string elements in that array. Next, we have to convert it or we have to print it. document dot get element by id, sorry, in double quotes, demo dot inner html is equals to the array name dot to string, sorry, that, sorry, not zero, it's O, to string semicolon and the script close. Before that, I have to declare one p and id is equals to demo. Okay, let's go to the browser and run localhost demo slash chase demo. Yes, see, it converts the array value into the string and separated it by the using comma. ये क्या किया, हमारे एरे के जो भी हमारा एरे वेरिएबल था, जो भी हमारा एरे था, उसको कन्वर्ट कर दिया स्ट्रिंग में, और कैसे प्रिंट किया था उसको कॉमा से सेपरेट करके प्रिंट किया है। सो द वर्क ऑफ द टू स्ट्रिंग फंक्शन इज टू कन्वर्ट द एरे इनटू द string. The next method is join method. Next method is the second one is the join method. Yes, join method is, it is also used to convert the array into the string, or it is means we can use join method with the toString function. In toString function, it separates the values of the array by comma only. But by using join method, we can give our own separators. Suppose if you want to separate, or if you want to print the element array with separated by the star, or separated by the hash, or separated by anything, then you can use this join method. We can miss it is used to provide the different separators. See one example. ये जस्ट सेम काम करता है हमारा टू स्ट्रिंग के फंक्शन के जैसा ही, बट इसमें क्या करते हैं, टू स्ट्रिंग में क्या होता है, तो हम लोग खुद का सेपरेटर प्रोवाइड नहीं कर सकते, वो हमेशा कॉमा ही से ही सेपरेट करेगा। बट बाय यूजिंग जॉइन वी कैन प्रोवाइड आवर ओन सेपरेटर। सपोज मुझे अगर किसी और सेपरेटर के थ्रू सेपरेट करना है वैल्यूज को, तो मैं कर सकता हूँ। सॉरी, just comment this. Next p demo, or we can use this also, the script one. Only what we have to change, only we have to change here the method name is same as like the to string, but only we have to change here the we have to use here the join method. dot join, and we have to pass by which you want to separate. Suppose if I want to separate by hash, so I have to pass here hash. Okay, just save it and go and run. See, it separates or it joins the array elements by separated by the hash symbol. If you want to join it by anything, then you have to pass. Suppose if I want to join it by plus, separate by plus, then I have to pass plus here, and it will separate it by the plus symbol. So it is same as like the toString function, but in toString function it is only separated by the comma. We cannot provide our own separator. But by using join method, we can provide our own separator too. Okay, let's see the next method. The next method is popping and pushing. For popping and pushing array elements, comment this. Third one is the popping and pushing in an array. Yes, for popping and pushing, we are using the pop and push method. Push methods. Yes. For popping and pushing an element in array, we are using the pop and push method. Means what is the work of the pop? Pop means it removes the last element of an array, and push means it adds the new element to an array at the end. Means पॉप का क्या काम होता है? पॉप क्या करता है? तो जो भी एरे में हमारा लास्ट एलिमेंट होगा उसको रिमूव कर देगा एंड उसको रिटर्न कर दे, इट विल रिटर्न द रिमूव्ड एलिमेंट. एंड पुश में क्या करते हैं? इट विल रिटर्न द न्यू एडेड एलिमेंट and it adds new element in the last of an array. Let's see one example of push and pop. Just copy the same array, little array. We just comment this. The script is missing. I have declared one variable fruits, banana, orange, apple, lychee. Four string values are there or elements are there in an array. First, we will remove one element from an array. Means I'm going to use the pop. Okay. Let's control C. Sorry. I'm going to print V. Okay. Demo 1 and demo 2. First, document dot get element by id dot, so get element by id demo dot inner HTML is equals to fruits. First, I am printing the original array, means without popping. In second, document dot get element by ID demo1 dot inner HTML is equals to fruits dot pop. Okay, it returns the removed element, means it removes the last element of an array, and it removes the last element of an array. In the next, document dot get element by ID demo2, sorry, demo2 dot inner HTML, sorry, bracket, the double quotes and bracket close here, dot inner HTML is equals to, now I'm going to print the new array, means the last element has popped before in demo 1, and in demo 2 I'm going to print the again the array and fruits semicolon. Let's go and see in the browser. Just see, in first array there are four elements. In first paragraph there are four elements: banana, orange, apple and lychee. And I have popped the lychee from the array. मैंने लीची को पॉप कर दिया, मैंने लीची को रिमूव कर दिया है लास्ट एलिमेंट ऑफ एन array, and the new array is now the banana, orange and the apple. So the use of pop is to remove the last element of an array, रिमूव द लास्ट एलिमेंट फ्रॉम एन एरे, मीन्स हम लोग पॉप का यूज करके हम लोग लास्ट एलिमेंट एरे का रिमूव कर सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट, द पॉप एलिमेंट, सॉरी पुश एलिमेंट. I've seen the work of the push element is to add a new element to an array at the end, means by using push method we are adding new elements we are adding new elements at the last of the array, in the end of an array. So let's see one example for the push also. Just take two paragraphs. I'm going, sorry, just copy this, Control C and the Control Z, and just comment this. Sorry, Control Shift question mark. Yes, this paste here. First is this, we have seen the push. Next we will see the, sorry, we have seen the pop. Next is the push. Just remove this. I have declared one array fruit, and in an array, in that array there are four string variables and the fruits names are there. In first demo, I'll print the original array, and after this I will print the array after adding an element to the array. Just only change here the pop to push. I'm adding one new element, papaya. Just give one more p id demo 2. Just copy this and just paste here. Document.get element by id demo 2 inner html is equals to only fruits, the new element or the new array after adding papaya at the last of an array. Just refresh it. Let's see. It returns the position where it adds the value. It adds the value at the fifth position, so it returns the position only. So push is returning the only the position where it is adding an new element. Where it is adding a new element, it returns the position of the array or the index number. Where it is not index number, it returns only the position. So first there are only four elements and in last there are five elements. Means push is used to add new element inside an array at the last of an array. पुश का यूज क्या करते हैं हम लोग, तो पॉप का यूज क्या होता है, तो इट रिमूव्स वन एलिमेंट फ्रॉम द लास्ट ऑफ द array and push is used to add an element at the last of an array. Okay, next, see the next method. The next method is, just comment this, sorry, just one more line. The next method is the shift method. Methods and functions are always followed by the parenthesis. Means हर एक मेथड या फिर फंक्शन नेम के साथ पैरेंथेसिस होता ही होता है. And shift is used to, what is shift method? Shift method is used to pop or remove the first element of an array, and it shifts the rest of the elements of an array to the before one to the lower index. शिफ्ट मेथड का क्या यूज होता है, तो हम लोग क्या करते थे, पॉप में क्या करते थे, हम लोग लास्ट एलिमेंट को रिमूव करते थे, बट इन शिफ्ट वी आर रिमूविंग द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट ऑफ एन एरे. शिफ्ट में क्या करते हैं, तो हम लोग फर्स्ट एलिमेंट को एरे से रिमूव करते हैं. लेट्स सी वन एग्जांपल. Yes, let's just comment this. Next, p id is equals to demo1. Next again take one p id is equals to, sorry, demo2. Next start the script tag and script. I'm going to copy the same array there where fruits, the same array where fruits banana orange apple lychee. Next document dot get element by id demo1 dot inner html is equals to fruits. In first paragraph I am printing the original array. The next I am going to call the method shift fruits dot shift, and after that I'm going to print the, whenever I call the method shift, so it removes the first element means banana of the array fruits. And the next I'm going to print the new array document dot get element by id double quotes demo2 dot inner html is equals to fruits semicolon. Let's go save it and go to the browser and check. Let's see. The first array means the original array is banana, orange, apple, and the lychee. The values are there banana, orange, apple, and lychee. And in the new array or the next array, we have removed the first element because before printing we have called, sorry, because before printing we have called the shift method. And what is the work of the shift method? Shift method is used to remove the first element of an array. So it removes the first element of an array, banana means it removes the banana from the array. Okay. Next is the next I'm going to print the same thing. I'm going to copy the same thing and just paste here. Just cut this and paste here. Yes. The next method, the fifth one is unshift. The next method means the fifth method is the unshift method. It is as same like the push method. Means in push method what we are doing, we are adding the elements or it adds whenever we call the push method, it adds a new element at the last of the array. But by using unshift method, it adds the new element at the beginning of an array. मीन्स अनशिफ्ट मेथड का क्या काम था, ये सेम एज लाइक द पुश मेथड के जैसा होता है. बट इन पुश मेथड हम लोग क्या करते वो क्या करता था, तो वो नया एलिमेंट ऐड करता था बट वो लास्ट में ऐड करता था. But by using the unzipped method, or in case of unzipped method, it adds the element at the beginning of an array. मीन्स ये एक नया एलिमेंट ऐड करता है array में, और कहाँ ऐड करता है, तो at the beginning of an array. Let's see one example of the unzipped. Okay, yes, let's change something. P demo one, take one button, on button, on click my function. Click here. In script code, I've already declared one array variable and one array, and I've stored four elements in that array: banana, orange, apple, and lychee. Next, I will print the first, means the original array. Here I am printing the original array in the demo one, means in the paragraph. Next, just remove this. Here I will write one function because I have declared function there. Function, my function, open, close. Here I have paste this fruits dot unzipped. It is unzipped, and I have to pass the element name or the value name, whatever I want to add. जो भी एलिमेंट ऐड करना चाहते, जो भी वैल्यू ऐड करना चाहते हैं हम, उसको हमें इधर इस मेथड का पैरामीटर में पास करना पड़ेगा. तो सब आई एम एडिंग हियर coconut, and next print the new element or the refreshed element. Document dot get element by id demo one, sorry, dot inner html is equals to fruits, semicolon. Let's go to the browser and check. And let's see. First, there are only four elements in that array. Banana, orange, apple, kin. जैसे ही मैं इस पे क्लिक करूंगा, it adds one element coconut at the beginning of an array. Again, if I will click here, it will again added one element coconut. So what is the work of the unzipped? It adds one element at the beginning of an array and shifts all the remaining elements to the next of that element. Okay, understood? ये था हमारा post pop and shift and unshift. Let's see the next method. Next method is the splice method or splice. Next one is the splice. Just comment this. I'll just cut this from here and put it here. Which one is the, this one is the fifth one, na? Okay. The next method is the splice. Sorry. The next method is splice method. What is the splice method? Means it is also used to add the elements, और it is also used to add the items in an array. Means इसको भी हम लोग सेम उसके लिए यूज करते हैं, array में elements को ऐड करने के लिए. बट इसमें क्या होता है, it takes 4 पैरामीटर्स. इसमें क्या करते हैं हम लोग, 4 पैरामीटर्स पास करते हैं. it takes 4 पैरामीटर्स, 4 और या it takes 4 पैरामीटर्स. the first parameters क्या करता है, it defines the position. Let's see the syntax of the splice first. Splice, I'm passing, sorry, 2 0, and the next are the optional. दो, 2 इज द इम्पोर्टेंट, 2 पैरामीटर्स इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंड द नेक्स्ट क्या है, वो आपके फर्स्ट पैरामीटर्स के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. और it depends how many elements you want to add. Suppose if you want to add 3 elements, then you have to pass next 3 values. If you want to pass single only one element, if you want to add only one element, then the next is the only one value. Means the next portion is the value, the next one is the value. Suppose I have to pass 2 elements, then I will write here 2, lemon and coconut. Okay, this is the syntax of the splice method. इस फर्स्ट पैरामीटर का क्या काम है, it defines the position where elements have to be added. मीन्स फर्स्ट जो हमारा पैरामीटर का काम क्या है, ये क्या करता है, हमारा पोजीशन डिफाइन करता है कि हमें कहाँ पर एलिमेंट्स को ऐड करना है, where we have to add the elements. And the second is the second parameter is 0. I have passed 0 here in second parameter. Means it defines how many elements should be removed. हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें, स्प्लाइस मेथड में क्या कर सकते हैं, हम लोग नया एलिमेंट्स को ऐड भी कर सकते हैं, और उसके बाद हम लोग कितने एलिमेंट्स को रिमूव भी करना चाहते हैं वो भी कर सकते हैं. तो द सेकंड पैरामीटर इज व्हाट वी आर we have to we have to tell the function that how many elements have to be removed from an array. आई हैव पास 0 मीन्स मुझे ने 0 पास किया, मतलब मुझे कोई एलिमेंट्स को, एक भी एलिमेंट्स को रिमूव नहीं करना है, बस उसमें ऐड करना है सेकंड पोजीशन पे. सपोज इफ यू वांट टू रिमूव, अगर आप रिमूव करना चाहते हैं तो आप वहां कुछ पास कर सकते हो जिससे कि वो बाकी के एलिमेंट्स को रिमूव कर देगा. वी विल सी द बोथ एग्जांपल. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज द वैल्यूज, व्हाट यू वांट टू ऐड. बाकी के जो क्या है, जो मैंने इधर लेमन और कोकोनट पास किया है, तो मैं क्या डिफाइन कर रहा हूँ कि द दैट लेमन एंड कोकोनट हैव टू बी एडेड इन दैट एरे. मैं वो लेमन और कोकोनट को सेकंड पोजीशन पे ऐड करने वाला हूँ. if you want to add the more elements or the more items, then you have to pass the more items here. Okay, let's see the example. I'm going to copy the same code or the same array, demo1, demo2, not that one, this one. There is no need for this. Copy and just paste here. take one more paragraph. ID is equals to demo2 my function. ठीक है. The next in script code, there are one array, एक array पहले से ही declared है जो कि fruits है, banana, orange, apple, lychee. Then I'm going to this is the original array. So if you want to give the message, then you can give pass the plus here. Here we are concatenating the string. Original array plus your array's elements. Next, here I have to change the method name. In place of unzipped, I have to write fruits.splice. Fruits.splice, and in this I have to pass the parameters. First is the position. The second one is the how much element or how many elements you want to remove. So I don't want to remove any element from my array. So I pass 0 there. Next are the values or the items. What you want to insert or what you want to add. So I'm going to pass lemon, comma, coconut. Okay, I'm going to pass only these two. Just comment this line. Control shift question mark. Okay, and the next I'm going to print the that new array. Just give the message here, new array. Just formatting, save, go to the browser and just run here. This it's not working. Okay, let's see why it is not okay. Original array document.get element by id demo1 original array plus fruits where function is something missing. Okay, I didn't close the script tag. Yes, script. Okay, let's go and refresh it. Yes, original array. Your original array is banana, orange, apple, and lychee. And after clicking the new array, the new array is banana, orange, lemon, coconut, apple, and lychee. Means I have added the two elements at the position 2. Means banana is 0. Okay, let's see. I have to go to here and change the paragraph name. Demo 2. Alt tab. This one is your original array. Means banana is at the position 0, orange is at the position 1, and the apple is at the position 2, and lychee is at the position 3. So after clicking here, it adds the two elements, lemon and coconut, at the position. It removes the, sorry, it adds the two elements at the position 2. Means at the position, at the place of the apple, it adds the two elements, lemon and the coconut. What is it? Now see the index number, banana is 0, orange is 1, and the lemon is 2. Now the lemon is 2. So it adds the lemon and coconut at the position 2. And it didn't remove any element from the array. क्योंकि मैंने उधर 0 पास किया था, so ये इधर से हमारे एलिमेंट्स एक भी एलिमेंट्स रिमूव नहीं हुए हैं और हमारा सेकंड पोजीशन पे लेमन एंड कोकोनट ऐड हो गया है. ओके, लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट. Suppose if you want to remove the elements, then you have to pass the number there. So how much elements you want to remove? Let's go to the code. Suppose if I passed here 1, तो मैंने इसको क्या कमांड दिया, if I passed 1, I have passed one value here, so it removes the one element from an array. Let's see. Control S. Let's go to the code. Just refresh this. The first element is the banana, orange, apple, lychee. After clicking, see, banana, orange, it adds the lemon and coconut element at the second position. Means at the place of the apple, it adds the lemon and coconut, and it removes the one element, the first element. Means apple is at the position 2, so it removes the apple from the array. Suppose if I have passed here 2, so it removes the next two elements. The apple and the lychee had been removed. इसमें क्या होगा, तो हमारे एप्पल और लीची को रिमूव कर देगा ये. Just refresh this. What is here? Banana, orange, apple, lychee. And after clicking this, banana, orange, lemon and coconut, it removes the two elements. इसने क्या किया, दो elements को remove कर दिया, एप्पल और लीची को remove कर दिया ये. Okay, this is your splice method. See the next methods. Next method is the concat error. Next method is the concat method. So just copy this. For concatenating two arrays, concat method is used to concatenate the two array. Means for adding the elements of the two array, we are using the concat method. The first comment, they just cut this from here. Control X and paste here. What is the next method? Is the control. Next one is the seventh one. Next method is the concat. Sorry, let me small it is. Next is the concat method. What is the work of the concat method? It is used to adding the two array in a single array. Means for concatenating the two arrays or for merging the two arrays, we are using this concat method. For concatenating the array, we are using the concat method. We can add the not only two arrays, we can add the multiple arrays in a single array. Means we can add the elements of the multiple array 2, 3, 4 by using the concat method. Let's see one example. P ID demo start the script tag. Sorry, script In script, I am going to declare the two variables, uh, two arrays where vegetable vegetables is equals to potato, tomato. That's it. Only two variable I'm going to pass. Next is the where fruits is equals to, sorry, I'm going to pass only two variables to two items here also. Apple, comma, orange. Okay. Now I have declared two variable means two arrays here. First is the vegetables and next one is the fruits. In vegetables I have stored two items, and in fruits I have also stored the two items there. Next I'm going to concatenate this array. So I have, here I am declaring the third array, third array, give, give the food, anything you can give the name, where food is equals to, I'm going to concatenate these two arrays. The first array is my vegetables, sorry, vegetables dot concat fruits, the second variable. Means I am adding the, in vegetables I am adding the elements of the fruits. Means after these two elements, potato and tomato, the next two, the elements of the fruits array, apple and orange will be added. Means जैसे ही vegetables के हमारे elements खत्म हो रहे हैं उसके बाद हमारा fruits का elements add हो जाएगा. Suppose if you want to add the first the fruit elements then the vegetable elements, so you have to write fruits here first, and the vegetables you have to pass the name of the vegetables inside the concat method. So the semicolon. Next, I'm going to print the concatenated array document dot get element by id demo, sorry, double quotes demo dot inner html dot inner html is equals to the new array the new array name is food. In food we are storing the concatenated array. The concatenated value of the two array we have stored in the element food. So I have print here food. Let's see. Yes, see that both the array elements have concatenated here. In first element there is vegetable, there is potato and tomato, and in the second there is apple and the orange. So here I have concatenated the two both the arrays into one array food. Okay, the हमने क्या किया यहाँ पे, the concatenate method is used to add the two elements in one array. We can add थ्री और फोर array also. हम लोग थ्री और फोर array को भी concatenate कर सकते हैं in a single array. ठीक है? Okay. Let's take 5 minute break. After 5 minutes, we will see the next methods. Okay.